So students, now let's start activity 2.2, identification of relations and functions. So our objective for this activity is to identify a relation and a function. So students, now let's see the method of construction for the given activity. Step 1. Take a cardboard and fix a white chart on it. Step 2. Divide the area of the chart into 4 parts. Step 3. Inside set A, take elements A, B, C, D and in set B, element one, 2, 3 and 4. In step 4, so let's consider the two sets, set A and set B. Set A elements are A, B, C, D and set B elements are 1, 2, 3, 4. Now in step 4, join A to 1, B to 2 and C to 3. That is A to 1, B to 2 and C to 3. Hence we can see that one element of set A has been left without joining, that is D. So it is not a function, it is a relation, because in a function all the elements of a domain, that is here set A is the domain and set B is the codomain, so all the elements of a domain should be joined by a single arrow and no element should be left without joining. As you can see here, D is left without joining, so it is not a function but it is a relation. In the second part, that is, we have divided the chart paper, that is, into 4 equal parts. Now in first part we have done in the previous 4 step, and now the second part, we take the set A and B with similar elements. Set A, that is the domain, B C and D. Next, set B, that is called the codomain 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now join A to 1, B to 2 and 3, C to 4 and D to 4. That is A to 1, B to 2, 3, C to 4 and D to 4. So in this condition, you have seen that all the elements of domain A has been linked with codomain, but we can see that the element B has been linked by 2 arrows, so it is also not a function. So it has to be linked by a single arrow. Each element has to be linked by a single arrow of the domain. Now, in third part, we again draw the set A and B with the same elements. A, B, C, D and one, two, 3, 4. So let's draw set A, B, C and D, and set B 1, 2, 3, 4. Now step 8, join A to 1, B to 1, C to 2 and D to 3. That is, let's join A to 1, B to 1, C to 2 and D to 3. So in this case, all the elements of set A for the domain has been linked with the elements of codomain. So no element in set A has been left without linking to codomain, and each element is linked by a single arrow. So we can say this represents a function and it is also a relation. Now step 9. In the fourth part, again draw the two sets A and B. with the similar elements, that is A, B, C, D and B equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. Set A and set B. Set A, B, C, D and set B 1, 2, 3, 4. Now step 10, join A to 1, B to 2, C to 2 and D to 4. Now join A to 1, B to 2, C to 2 and D to 3. Here you can see all the elements of domain A has been linked to some of the other elements of set B, that is codomain B, and every element has been linked by a single arrow. So we can say this represents a function and it is also a relation. So students, now let's see the observation for the given activity. First, in figure 1, the ordered pairs are A1, B2, and C3. So, this ordered pair constitute a relation but not a function because the element D of domain A does not connect to any element of set B or codomain B. Second, in figure 2, the ordered pairs are A1, B2, B3, C4 and D4. So this is a relation but not a function because in ordered pair B2 and B3, the first element is repeated. In figure 3, the ordered pairs are A1, B1, C2 and D3. So this represents a function and a relation and also a relation because all the elements of domain A has been joined to sum or the other element of set B, and no first number of any ordered pair is repeating. No first number of any ordered pair is repeated. So, in figure 3, it represents a function as well as a relation. So, in figure 4, ordered pairs are A1, B2, C2 and D4. So this also represents a function and a relation. This represents a function and also a relation because here no element of domain A is left Here no element of domain A is left unpaired and no first element in the ordered pair is repeating. So both the conditions satisfy, so it is a function and also a relation.